in case you are new to this cryptocurrencies and you do not have a wallet, basically this is how the interface of a wallet looks like, a trust wallet. Now you can go to your Play Store and download Trust Wallet, not Trust.wallet, Trust Wallet. All right. Immediately after downloading the Trust Wallet, you will see a 12 key word. Those are your secret words, more like a key to unlocking your wallet in case your phone gets missing or something. Now, those keys, you have to keep them jealously, like keep them safe. After a while, you might have several coins or currencies in your wallet, and in the case of any eventuality, your phone or your device gets missing, you need to recover your wallet, and that's where those keys come handy. You need to keep those keys, either save them in your mail or copy them out and keep them out somewhere. So this is basically how the interface of a trust wallet is. Now, on this inside this wallet now, you can only see two different it's just one. This is BNB, but they have two different networks. This BNB you are looking at, it's the BEP2 network BNB, while the smart chain is the BEP20 network BNB. So I can as well add more coins to my list by just coming to this platform, by just clicking this place and enabling this sorry, I paused the recording mistakenly. So I can always come here and enable more currencies inside my wallet, and I can always go back here with this arrow. Okay, now you can see we have more currencies or coins inside my wallet, and there are no coins at all. That's the reason why you see 0000 0 BTC, 0 ETH, and all that. Now, aside that, this particular D apps will come handy. Look at the tax bar here. I will use the word the tax bar. The tax bar here, you'll see D apps.